The split-half reliability coefficient is a measure of internal consistency used to assess the reliability of a test or measurement instrument. These are the steps to calculate the split-half reliability coefficient.
First is divide test. The test is divided into two halves. This division can be done in various ways, such as splitting odd and even numbered items or dividing the test based on content.
Score each half. Score for each half are calculated for each participant.
Calculate the correlation for each individual. Use the scores on odd items and even items to calculate the correlation for each person.
Adjust for length. To account for variations in test length, correction formulas like the Spearman-Brown formula may be applied.
Average the correlation. Take the average of the correlation across the 6 individuals.
A higher split-half reliability coefficient indicates greater internal consistency, suggesting that the two halves of the test are measuring the same underlying construct. However, it's important to note that this method relies on the assumption that both halves of the test are equivalent measures of the same construct. If the halves measures different aspects, or if there's an uneven distribution of difficulty across the halves, the reliability estimate may be inaccurate.
Example, let's consider a hypothetical scenario where we have 6 individuals, A, B, C, D, E, and F, and their scores on a 20-item test. We'll use the split-half method by dividing the test into odd and even items. Individual A scores out of 20 odd items 8, 6, 7, 5, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 9. Even items 5, 7, 8, 6, 7, 4, 9, 5, 8, and 6. Individual B scores out of 20. Odd items 6, 5, 7, 4, 8, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8. Even items 7, 4, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 8, 6. Follow the same pattern for individuals C, D, E, and F.
Calculate the correlation. The correlation between the scores of the two halves is then computed. This correlation provides an estimate of how consistently the test measures what it intends to measure.
Adjust for length. Apply the Spearman-Brown formula to correct for the fact each half is only half the length of the full test.
Average the correlations. Take the average of the correlations across all 6 individuals.
This average correlation will be your estimate of the split-half reliability coefficient for your test. Remember, a higher average correlation suggests better internal consistency if you have the actual scores. If you can plug them into statistical software or use a spreadsheet program to simplify the calculations.